Commerce Rack is a cloud service. It's both elastic and on demand. The price is based on actual usage and starts at just a few cents per hour. When evaluating the savings from a cloud migration, there are three cost centers that must be considered. First, there's the software, which in cloud parlance is called the stack. Next, there's the infrastructure, which will be made up of one or more servers called instances. Finally, the largest cost center is staffing, who will perform monitoring, updates, graphic design, application development, and technical assistance. The majority of cloud savings will actually come from staffing because it's so easy to get things done in a cloud infrastructure. Staff can be located in the office or anywhere in the world. Now, Commerce Rack is a stack, and we also offer a variety of friendly and knowledgeable staffing services for that stack. When it comes to pricing, pay attention to the differences between cloud providers. For example, Amazon will include our stack license as part of the instance, and others will not. The Commerce Rack stack license includes access to many third-party APIs and payment gateways, along with access to upgrades and bug fixes. Use the Install Now button on the Commerce Rack website to find the most up-to-date infrastructure and stack licensing costs for each provider. Now we'll explore some real-world licensing and infrastructure scenarios to illustrate the savings the cloud delivers. Here is a sample of a company doing $20 million in annual sales on Amazon's public cloud infrastructure, also using Amazon email services. They have both native and browser-based apps along with the Amazon Marketplace. They also have a regular marketing campaign to 100,000 clients using email and app push, and as a result of its success, need infrastructure that can handle 750 simultaneous shoppers. This cloud infrastructure is $246 a month. Now let's compare that to a typical IT hosted version. It results in a savings of $1,308. Now let's add in marketplace management and email campaigns. Now the monthly total for the cloud has only gone up to $254.15, and compare that to common SaaS services with a total monthly fee of $9,805, a savings of almost $10,000 a month. But app development also reduces IT costs. In the example here, the annualized cost for traditional IT services is $400,000, based on a conservative industry average of 2% of the $20 million in gross sales, whereas the cloud side is only $183,000. That's a savings of $216,000 per year. Now let's compare just infrastructure and licensing costs for a minimal configuration from two different cloud providers. This is using a Google N1 standard and an Amazon N1 small instance. To be fair, the Google server is a bit more powerful, but it's also more expensive. Also, for companies willing to make a longer-term infrastructure commitment, using an Amazon Reserve instance could lower that price even further. The two systems above are what we would recommend for a small company needing acceptable real-world performance. We should also briefly discuss the Amazon EC2 free developer tier, which includes 1 year of free infrastructure and a micro instance. We do not recommend a production Commerce Rack stack be deployed on a micro instance. Amazon micro instances have insufficient memory, load bandwidth, and lack of ephemeral storage, which causes the application to cost more and perform worse because of network rights. All other free services from Amazon like email, SNS, database, etc. are great, and companies should definitely take advantage of them when using Amazon. Now we know when it comes to the cloud there are a lot of new terms, and it can be pretty confusing. Businesses who want recommendations in finding a cloud that suits them should try the Install Now button on the Commerce Rack website. Thanks for evaluating Commerce Rack, the fastest path to commerce in the cloud.